See, there's a lot of birds here. This is another type of heron. And this is in Malaysia. And this is, I think, the Sungai Klang, Sungai Klang. That's beautiful. Yeah, we are in Malaysia, we are not overseas. It's not Africa, it's just Malaysia. And this is Sungai Klang. For those bird watchers, I think this is a good time to look for birds at the river, because JPS has started digging the river, and thus there's a lot of insects and worms and all that. There's brought up, yeah. Beautiful. This was the one I saw yesterday at Lorong Ehsan or Jalan Ehsan at section 30. Simply beautiful. There's a few more on the other side of the river bank. Well, this is Malaysia. This is in Puchong, and the river is Klang River, yeah. And the birds come here because our Jabatan Parit dan Saliran has started digging the river, and such. There's a lot of I think worms, insects. There's a product, or even dead fish. So they come here to eat this dead fish and so forth. The one is eating fish, yeah? Oh, she got a fish. She got a fish in her mouth. Oh, she got one there, big one. Simply beautiful, simply beautiful. This is nature. You don't have to go to Africa. You don't have to go to Disneyland or Wild West to see this. It is just in Malaysia, Puchong, next to the Klang River.